Hi, my name is Luke with the Barcode Factory. Today we're going to discuss how we work with Zebra to provide businesses of all sizes the perfect solution. We understand that different sized businesses have different needs. Our team knows which Zebra products are best suited for small and medium-sized businesses.
Through our experience in working with small businesses like yours, we were able to address issues like slow processes, lost items, and missed shipments. As a Zebra Premier business partner, we sell the full line of Zebra hardware, including printers, mobile computers, barcode scanners, RFID, supplies, and more.
When you work with our company, every customer, no matter what size, gets assigned a personal account manager to look out for your business.
At the Barcode Factory, we stand behind everything that we sell. We also provide parts, service, tech support, and installation.
If you're looking to take your small business to the next level, contact our team today.